Hi there, this is a skincare special, my spring skincare. I've used these products for the past 3 months. My skin is oily, acne prone, hormonal acne once a month for about 2 weeks, and sensitive skin. So I tried to follow a 10-step Korean skincare method. I mainly do 7 steps. So let's start with the weekly treatments. I like using sheet masks. These 3 are my top 3 masks I like to use these days. This one is by Benton, Goodbye Redness Centella Mask Pack. This really helps to calm down irritation and get rid of the redness when you're having acne outbreaks. This one I used since the winter time. It's okay for the springtime as well. It's got honey. This is the Papa Recipe Bombay Honey Mask. I really love this. It is soothing and brightening. Another one is Madagascar by Etude House. This one is also for spot treatment. It calms the skin down when you have itchy flare-ups. So these 3 ingredients I recommend. Centella, honey and Madagascar. Really good for the oily acne skin and sensitivities. Next is exfoliation. When I have a shower, I use this. This is the Etude House Pore Cleansing Foam Baking Powder. I use this about 3 times a week, and it deep cleanses the pores. Now I'm moving on to the double cleansing method. As it was spring, I wanted to use lighter products. I decided to try a cleansing balm for the first time. This one is well renowned. It's by Benilla & Co. called Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. This one is for oily skin, the green one. And then for the second part of the cleansing, I chose a gel cleanser, which by Cosrx. Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This helps to bring the pH balance of your skin back after you do the first step. So first step is this, second step is this. And then after my cleansing, I would move on to essence. Toner. This is the Dear Claire's Supple Preparation Unscented Toner. So with this one, you just need to dab a few drops on your face and massage it in. After the toner, I would use essence. This is the Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I really like this. The toner doesn't strip the skin at all. It's very gentle, and this Mucin Power Essence is really moisturising for the skin. After the essence, I decided to try using a serum for the first time. This is the Ionic Propolis Vitamin Synergy Serum. This is powerful, calming, nourishing and brightening, and has wrinkle care. So I am 35 now, so I do worry about wrinkles. Apparently this is also good for sorting out your acne scars. So I noticed that it calmed my skin. I'm not sure about wrinkle effects, but I haven't had more wrinkles or anything. So I think it works, and it didn't irritate my skin. I tried it for 3 months and my skin feels okay. After that, I would use moisturising creams. This one is for the daytime and this one for the nighttime. For daytime, I chose Nature Republic Aqua Super Aqua Max Fresh Watery Cream. This blue one is for oily skin. It's a gel-like consistency and it's very, very nice. This is a repurchase, and I also repurchased this because I ran out. It lasted me 3 months, so it's not bad. And the shelf life for this one is, I think, about 6 to 12 months after opening. I have to check the box for that one. Now, oh yeah, for my nighttime skin routine, I use this one, the Olay Regenerist 3-point age defying cream for nighttime. It's my first night cream. I never used to use night cream, but I thought I would try. This is not sticky at all. It's rich and moisturising, but not thick, not too thick. And it didn't cause a reaction, so I'm happy with that. Just carry on using it for 3 months. I don't know what else you would expect from a night cream other than to be moisturising, really. So it does its job. And then for extra treatments, I used the AC Collection Ultimate Spot Cream by Cosrx. It takes about a week or two for your spots to go away, but you notice the redness going down after 3 days. By 5 days, the spot starts disappearing. So it depends how bad the acne is, but this helps, I think. And a new treatment I've been using is eye cream. This one is by Maison. Multifunction Formula Snail Repair Eye Cream. I'm not sure if eye creams work or if it's a bit of a gimmick, because you could probably just use moisturiser, I've read, but I thought I'd try it. This doesn't give me any milia, doesn't make my eyes itch. I don't get a reaction from it, so it's very gentle. It's also got snail essence, so that's really good. I know that I suited snail essence from trying the power essence before I bought this, so I would recommend that. So out of all the products, my favourite one, if you're wanting to try something new, is the Papa Recipe Bombay Honey Mask, the Centella Redness Goodbye Redness Centella Mask Pack by Benton, the Etude House Madagascar. I really love this face cream. It's become one of my favourites, a holy grail, I think. And I think this Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is really, really good. If you want to try some snail ingredients, I would recommend this. And for cleansing, I really enjoyed using this, the low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. It was very refreshing. I don't think I would repurchase this cleansing balm. I think it was a bit fiddly. You had to use a spatula every time, and I think I prefer using oil cleanser. So I wouldn't recommend this. But if you have sensitive or oily skin, it would not react. It's fine. This is a gentle one. Other colours might not be. This was the green one. And for spot treatment, I would recommend this because it takes time anyway to get rid of your spots, but this helps a lot. I hope you enjoyed that. So those are my top picks in front of me right now. I would recommend if you want to try something new for your oily skin, sensitive, acne prone. It might help you too. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video.